Welcome to a 60-second beginner walkthrough of OANDA's trading platform. First, go to Menu, then Accounts, and tap Create Account to sign up. Choose Demo to practice, verify your email, and fund the demo account. Open Trade, then Markets, search Euro/USD, and select the pair to load its chart. Enter trade size, set order type to market, and press Buy or Sell to place the order. Always add stop loss and take profit levels on the order ticket before confirming. Switch chart types and time frames, for example candles 1 hour and 15 minutes. Use drawing tools to add trend lines and make simple notes on the chart. Add indicators like moving average and RSI from the indicators menu and adjust their periods. Use the trade calculator to size positions based on risk percentage and stop distance. Manage open positions from the Positions tab. Edit stops, set alerts, or partially close trades. Close trades with the Close button. Review your history for records and practice more in demo.